Father and son lifestyle, you know?
Father and son lifestyle.
Yeah,
We out
man.
here doing.
Sergeant, where's
Sergeant.
What they doing?
Father, son, lifestyle.
Say it. Big up on yourself. One love, peace, unity, strength. Welcome back again to Father and Son Lifestyle, man. You don't know we're out here for the work. Yeah, man, eye up with it. See it there? Eye up. Yeah, man. How would that? Long time no see, no show. Under there in that place. We just do a little short piece of vlogging there. You understand? Yeah, man, I just say a thing, man. So, big up on yourself and watch what I'm going, alright? I say, first time I walk the stairs, I want in front. Yeah. When me say, yo, we have to go walk all the way up in Orlando. Up to 7th floor.
Two times walk it.
Eh? But sister, I really walk, we have to walk it. I say, yo, not again, then can't send me on a work here again.
Two times walk it.
Yeah? So,
Damn bad.
outside, we say we there. We look at work, you know? Just a look at small vlogging right now. You know, we are all around there, you know. Mm. Yeah, man, we just cut up a pan. One deli in a place, isn't it? You know, we just go and eat one cheese stick. Yeah, we don't eat on the name stick, you know. Yeah, man, see the deli there, you know. Yeah, man, with the eye up. Once.
Never get it away.
We used to work over there, so now we're over this side. Yeah, I put you in the work. At the view, guys. Lovely. No. High above, you know? Building a high, you know? 7floor building. Where's the land?
Like hotel perbankan come on to the bank, but watch it now. You can't walk near the edge of the kite, man. No grip.
I will tell you, man. See you, man. You don't know you're up on the work. You're up on the work, like a joke off a run, you know. Yeah, man, up on the bank, like week out.
Yeah, man.
Cheese gone.
See that? See, man, I never want like cheese.
Your cheese gone now, cheese stick. Yeah.
I come up to see it that while I got him stuck halfway. I take a sip.
I'm come over because I push for my head. Yeah, the step wicked, man. Guys, we have to walk from ground floor, come straight up to 7th floor, you know. Wicked, the elevator now work. Terrible thing, man.
So it's it there, man. Yeah, man.
Eh?
First time I come up, I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? Yeah. So guys, remember to like, subscribe and share, you know. And all the blessings to all of the new subscribers. Yeah, man, thanks for coming over for Father and Son Lifestyle, man, and thanks for the wonderful support, you know. Yeah, man, I will return. Anyone come over to my page, I will definitely return. Most definitely. Because each one help one, you know. So we have to do it, you know. We have to look out for each other. Yeah, man. We can do it. As Oliver said, we are doing it to make everyone see it. Yeah, man. Walk by. Big up yourself. You make a walk by. Bless up, you know. One favor, you see it? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, bro. Yeah, man. All equal love, bro. Every time, you see me? So, as I said, this is not a long vlog. So, come on. Finish up the journey now. Show you what I want. Probably get the iron downstairs now. Get the tank off of the roof. Yeah, see there? So this is a part of the piping. Yeah, so the unit gone up on the roof. Alright, I'll show you what I go on. I'll go up there, you know. I'll go up there, guys. Oh, yeah. So the big unit them over there, sir. See them over there, sir. Yeah, man, all of the unit them over there, sir. There's also a mini split right here, sir. Yeah, man, as I say, if I get this off the roof now, and I hit that feed there, you know. This welding, you know, say a settling welding, you know. I just burn and open the jump. What kind of problem, Lando? No problem, man. We can't carry down the things, man. Yeah, man. You talk about, man. No problem, man.
Yeah.
On the hills, guys. Beautiful. As I say, just a look at time, just a look. Just a little bit of it for show you what I go on with up on the work, you know. Yeah, man, we just chop up one tank. And so, generally, man, weld up something for the unit. We're not the pipe out the unit.
Yeah, we are connected to the evaporator.
We are connected to the evaporator now. And then we are commercial unit, guys. It's on a split unit, you know.
Yes.
It's on a mini split. It's on an inverter. It's a commercial unit, you know. I don't know how over there. I must clean up a roof.
Clean up over, man. It's again, fresh air unit. Fresh air unit.
Alright, so that fresh air unit in there, yes? I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so do it, guys.
Yeah.
Hold on, then we'll show you what I go on. Alright, guys. In the area of New Kingston, you know? Some tourists down on the ground there. Yeah, man, outside we there do the work, you know?
Martin. Yo.
Guys, we do some whole heap. How that over there, sir?
Martin.
How over there, sir? Check for the unit them. Do some whole heap of work over that bank, CIBC. All of those units, yeah, man, we put them over there, you know? Yeah, man, the beauty of New Kingston. Yeah. Show you what I go on out on the front of too. Yeah, man, see, they're busting that too, you know, we are doing this now. And jerk one. Yeah, man, we are work with it, so. Yeah, build a jerk one, man. Yeah, me need it, so I use it and build on jerk one. Wash it out and make it so alright and build and stand
Fish
feet.
on the side and chicken on the side and no pork.
No, yeah, man, pork can't go in the
No
pan.
Trent that.
I kick that, man.
Put some junk rubber and blow mangoes and that.
Yeah, can we have tell him. Yeah. Junk and mangoes.
Rock back.
Yeah.
Bullfrog.
After we know Chinese.
Exotic eating, you know. No, come on.
No.
Yeah, man, I big up the exotic eating down a crossroad. You can check it out. Yeah, man, it tell you for real, man. Sell you all that way, I tell you, brother.
I lie. Crossroad.
Right in a crossroad market, so check it out.
Seriously?
Exotic eating it name.
God go with them.
God go with what, man?
Me not go with them. Nah, eat them something there.
No, right now, I'm going to tell you something, my daddy. You say anything where you eat where mankind a feed,
Yeah.
kill yourself. Yeah? Once you eat with mankind, you eat up callaloo and pop chai where you think say
Good for you.
That's not good.
Good for you. That's who you're talking about. Chemical and them things that go up on it.
So you don't catch all a wild drunk truck. Nobody don't feed him feed himself. Best thing feed. Yeah. That's how you have to deal with it, man. A real talk.
Yeah.
Man.
Finger licking.
You that, guys? Yeah, man.
Last finger licking, man. All you two of them you lick on.
Yeah.
I never use it to eat.
I never use it.
Yeah.
I reality
See,
that
see.
too, man.
Yeah.
Yo, you see all the drunk rubber with fries on Friday night. Can't go wrong, brother. Can't go wrong. Nice cold beer or a Heineken alongside it.
Yeah.
And you're good. Wife love you for that, you know.
Bomba.
Wife see you come here with all of your own well put together.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and them have the special sauces, you know.
Talk to it, man.
Yo, I bet you link me back. You go cross road and see it.
Make a go down there,
Yeah,
no?
man.
In the market.
In the market, brother, exotic eating, you can't miss it.
Lando, we need to go check out that place.
Seeing is believing.
Yeah, we need to go check it out. Yeah, man. Exotic eating. In the market across road, so we will check out that place. If you want some junk or mangoes to eat, you just go down there, sir.
Bullfrog.
Bullfrog, snake, anything, lizard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nothing common, don't go ask him nothing common. Everything has to be exact. Nah, man, them don't sell nothing common there, so.
Yeah. Then we don't have to go see what go on in there for real, man.
Say, man, when them reach there, them have to order. God.
So that means say if we go there,
Yeah, man.
you have to see up on the camera.
Yeah, we're going to see your order, because something there, they are going to attract your eye. Yeah, something is there for you to attract you. Yeah, man, something have to there, we don't make you walk in and walk out.
Money have to spend.
Yeah, man, you have to eat something, man.
No, man, we have to find out how it's part, man. Lando say, nah, but I got to him here, say, you sent him and kick him there in the nose. Eh? Oh,
Bullfrog special.
mad.
Nice.
The bullfrog special.
Yeah, man. You get the little egg them in it and something. That are the female frog. Yeah, man. But
Quite easy, yeah, man. So stay tuned. I get down this, guys, off of the roof, you know.